In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and ever beneficent. I am Rana Umar Nasir Aftab. I would like to speak on the importance of good education, which is must to know by all of us. Education plays a great role in the life of everyone all through the life. Getting proper education is very necessary to get good and successful life, just like a food is very necessary for healthy body. It provides physical and mental standard, transforms people's living status, and transforms the feelings being by providing better life. Good education is very constructive in nature, which constructs our future forever. It helps the person to improve his status of mind, body, and spirit. It provides us a lot of confidence by giving a bulk of knowledge in many fields of life. It is a single and vital way to the success as well as a personal growth. The more knowledge we get, we grow and develop more in the life. Being well educated never only means to get certificates and good salary from recognizing and reputed organization, institutes, and companies. It is also means to be a good and social person. It helps us whether something is good or bad for us and other persons related to us. The first purpose of getting good education is being good citizen and then being successful in personal and professional life. We are incomplete without good education because education makes us right thinker and good decision maker. In such a competitive world, education has become necessity of human beings after food, clothes, and shelter. It is able to provide solutions of all problems. It promotes good habits and other and